Email attachments. Everyone knows better than to open the door to a suspicious stranger with a bag and let them inside. But this is actually a very common occurrence in the digital world. Email attachments are one of the most common ways to get infected with malware. It's critical that you avoid opening an attachment if you don't know who an email is coming from. Even though it may look like an Excel file, a PDF, an image, or something else, it may in fact be malicious. A downloaded attachment can sometimes immediately infect your computer, or may execute a macro after opening a document such as Word or Excel. Your IT department may put rules in place to keep certain types of attachments from being sent or received, but even if so, be sure to always be cautious before opening anything, and let your IT department know if you think you received a sketchy email. Be cautious also with attachments from people you do know. Check the address of the sender to make sure it's who it says it is and not someone impersonating them. Even if it is from the correct address, their email could have been hacked and used to trick you into opening something malicious. If the email seems fishy or isn't typical of them, do not open the attachment. When in doubt, connect with your IT security team or follow other company policies for suspicious emails, and call or text the sender and ask if they actually sent the email. If they did not, let them know they should change their email password and security questions because they were probably breached.